Hi sir, good day po. My name is Gabriel Bagungon
Kit Justin Marabe po.
and we're presenting our final project in PEMBEDS entitled IoT Door Monitoring System.
Using ESP32 po and Firebase.
Yes po.
So, ang purpose po ng project na to is to monitor the door status in real time and
Record it online.
po. So, it help us know kung
Whether the door is open or closed,
and
even if we are not near to our house, kahit po wala po tayo sa ating bahay, makikita po natin siya.
or kahit po nasa kwarto tayo because may buzzer po tayo and maririnig po
Yes po,
natin yung beep.
at magre-reflect po siya sa database. And here po. As you can see po sir, this is this po is our prototype sir of our project sir sa inyo sir. If we open the door sir, okay tayo, open po natin yung door.
Bibip po siya.
Magbibip po siya. Makikita po magbibip po siya sir. Kita niyo open po. Yan, naka-open po siya. Magbibip po siya kasi po na-open po yung door. At pag inulan siya po, wala po siya kasi po naka-close po.
But magre-reflect po to sa Firebase po natin.
Yes po sir. As you can see po, pakita mo yung ating Firebase. Naka-close pa po siya. If I open the door sir, as you can see, magbibip po siya and ang status po niya is open. Pag kinlose ko po, magpapalit po siya ng close.
So,
Ito po is makakatulong po to sa ating bahay. For security po natin sir. Malalaman po natin kung may napasok po sa ating bahay sir. Kahit wala po tayo sa ating bahay kasi magre-reflect po siya sa ating real-time database. And this is our scale model sir, as you can see. And this is our wirings. As you can see sir, we don't use Arduino sir. Arduino no, because we instead use ESP32 sir. And as you can see our wirings sir, minimize po namin yung wirings. And this is how it will work sir. Ito po ang aming buzzer sensor. A buzzer and button sensor. If siya po is na-push, tutunog po siya. As you can see po sir, narinig niyo po siya sir. And that's it po. This is our breadboard. And this is our house.